Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Finally got a nice day out to actually ride. So me and Lefty about to take the bikes out. We might stop at a place to learn how to like burn out. Oh man, dude, it's like 60 degrees out right now. And it's beautiful. I love it. I've been fiending to ride my bike since the whole change. Can't wait. It's about to be fire. You know what I mean? It's all about riding today. That's it. We're just gonna ride, have some fun. That's it. No talking. Throw some music in the back. Safety first. What's up guys? We're out here in like an abandoned warehouse and Lefty's teaching me how to burn out. Hopefully I don't mess up my bike.
Well, you gotta pace yourself. Take your time, get comfortable. You know, that's all it's really about. Just getting more comfortable with the bike. You know, do it somewhere safe. Always have someone with you. You did a pretty good job for your first time though overall. Yeah, dude. Like I was kind of shocked. I was like, damn, he's getting the hang of it. And like little by little, as you start doing it more, you get more comfortable. You start, you know, swinging it between your legs. Next thing you know, you can just keep riding with it.
Let me see what you could do next. Now to see what he could do. Talking all that.
So just like standing on it and like rolling. Just try it. We're gonna learn today.
Always wear your helmet, guys. Lefty about to try his stand-up burnout. Let's do it. Let's see what you're really about to do. What's up, motherfuckers? All right, guys, we're back at the shop after that little ride. Just gonna chill for the rest of the day. Probably work on the bikes. Not even gonna do anything much to them, but tomorrow we're gonna get ready to work on my dad's bike to get that all done and situated and get that going before I go to South Carolina Wednesday and surprise him that it's fixed. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? It's the next day, and yesterday was nice as hell, and today it snowed. Like, what type of shit is that? But anyways, we're gonna start my dad's bike. Finally, we get this thing out of here. So basically, it is the starter clutch. Let me move the bikes out the way so we have a clear spot and then get right to it. And this bike has air suspension, but for some reason it keeps blowing a fuse, or it just stops working and it just sits very low. Very unsafe, but if we get to it, we'll get to it. Hopefully we could try to fix that too. All right, so basically we gotta take off this cover, and I think this cover. This is a cover here. The starter clutch is in here, so hopefully we don't lose any bolts or springs. Gotta take the kickstand off, which I did already, and then take these covers off. Got electrical tools. I don't know what I'm doing here. Got electrical tools. Oh, where the... electrical tools. What do I need? What do I need? I was able to pull off the clutch cable from here. At first you had to loosen it from this little spin thingy. And then once you do that, it'll come off of it. I stopped myself before I did anything. I almost took this cover off without draining the oil. Trash. Anyways, I'm waiting for my brother to get here. Find a way to lift the bike up because it's so low. Can't get like an oil pan or anything to catch the oil. So he's gonna bring a jack, somehow lift the back of the bike up, get a pan under to drain the oil. So I'm on standby. Alright guys, so this is the old one. This is the old starter clutch. That's the new one. This one looks more heavy duty, so I hope it lasts longer than this. So now I just gotta put this back together and then put it back on the bike and call it a day.
Hey guys, so we buttoned mostly everything up. For now, we're gonna try to start the bike. Josh, you ready? Give it a go.
This a sign. All right, guys, so we just finished up the bike. It runs. We found out I got a gas leak, but not my problem. Anyways, I'm going up to South Carolina Wednesday. So next video, you guys see my dad's reaction, it being all done and all that. So hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you soon.